Now, I've been a mediocre gamer for a long time, and it all started with my AMD K6 powered desktop, followed by what I thought was the most insane Pentium 3 1 gigahertz straight after that. Now, a lot has changed since I started playing Counter-Strike Beta 6 as a Half-Life mod back in 1999, and it does not get much better than this, the brand new Omen X 2S15. Yep, dual screen gaming is here. We're obviously starting with the second screen, and here are some ideas for how you can use it. Watch a game stream while you're playing a game, messaging or chat, tunes, system monitoring like the one in Omen Command Center, numpad, web browsing, or interacting with a snipped portion of a screen like your map and looking at it up closely, I think is incredible. Yeah, I thought this was going to be a huge gimmick too, but I'm surprised with how useful it is both in and out of gameplay. Look, I wouldn't use this as my work device, but you could totally work on it for as long as you want, and that work will be made a little bit better for sure. Even if it's just more fun to use, you can't hate fun. Did I mention there's a button that you can push to flip between the two screens? Okay, now the rest. Up to a 9th generation Intel Core i H series, 6 or 8 core CPU. It uses XMP memory up to 32 gigabytes. Graphics are up to an RTX 2080 from NVIDIA. And it's all only 20 millimeters thin. All metal and all the other stuff you'd expect. Have a look into the cooling specs online, but in short, we're talking 12-volt fan modules, 3-sided venting. They're even using thermal grizzly conductor thermal paste, which has 10 times higher thermal conductivity than traditional thermal grease, which has been benchmarked to show that on its own actually improves performance. G-Sync, obviously, but there's now a crazy 240 Hz full HD option. HDR 460 Hz 4K is there too, but it depends on what type of person you are as to what you choose here, guys. Keyboard is N-key rollover, the usual stuff. It's RGB and they feel great. But there you have it, a dual screen gaming laptop that's not a gimmick. Has a ton of uses, plus you get all the top hardware you want in something that doesn't look terrible. Or have 2 power supplies, or make you look like a jerk. It's the Omen X 2S15, and it's the top spec of gaming.